In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up payment details on Whop. We're going to walk through the full process of adding a payment method to your Whop account so you can be ready to make purchases smoothly and securely. This is a quick setup, but it's important to follow each part carefully to make sure your payment information is entered correctly. To begin, go to Whop and open the home page. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile. Click on your profile to open the account menu. This is where you'll find access to your personal account options and settings. From that menu, click the settings icon. This will take you into your account settings area where you can manage different parts of your Whop account. If you're ever looking to update account preferences or billing related information in the future, this is the main place you'll return to. Inside settings, find and click on payment methods. This section is specifically for managing the ways you pay on the platform. If you've already added payment options before, you may see them listed here. If not, you'll be starting fresh by adding a new one. Next, click on Add Payment Method. This opens the form where you can enter your payment details. At this stage, carefully type in your card information or the required payment credentials. Make sure everything is entered exactly as it appears on your card or payment source. Even a small typo, like a wrong number or expiration date, can prevent the payment method from being accepted. As you enter your details, it's a good idea to double check each field before moving on. Also, make sure you're doing this on a secure and trusted device, especially when entering financial information. Taking a few extra seconds here can save time and avoid errors later. Once all the information has been entered correctly, click Add. This will submit your payment method and save it to your Whop account. After that, your payment details should be available for future transactions, making checkout faster and more convenient. And that's it. You've now successfully set up your payment details on Whop. If a payment method doesn't save right away, review the information you entered and try again carefully. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.